Hello everyone, welcome back to another recipe. In this video I'm going to be doing a dish called Kwacoco Bible, which is basically grated cocoyams mixed with spinach, smoked fish, palm oil and some ethnic spices. It's actually a dish from the Bakweri tribe in Cameroon. I'm going to be going through the ingredients, so I hope you enjoy the recipe and just watch me make this delicious dish. So the first thing you need to do is just boil some water in a frying pan or in a regular pot. And what I'm just doing there is I'm just putting the leaf in some warm water. It will just prevent the leaf from breaking. Before doing this, you'll need to go ahead and burn the leaves on the gas cooker. I've got gas with some fire, and then you can store it in the freezer. But what I'm just doing there, I'm just putting the leaf in some warm water, and I'll be setting that aside. So that's what we're going to be using to wrap the Kwacoco Bible mixture once it's ready. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be at the description box. So we will need some spinach. So I have 2 bundles of spinach there. We need some smoked fish, which is optional, but I just like the taste of smoked fish in the Bible. You need some crayfish there, and then you need some ethnic spices. You need some false nutmeg. You need some crayfish powder. You can use bouillon seasoning if you like, but I just like using crayfish powder. It's just going to give it that nice fishy taste. You need some scotch bonnet pepper, of course. It doesn't make sense. Kwacoco Bible makes no sense without that. You need some palm oil, you need some salt, and you need your cocoyams. I also forgot to mention, I also used some black pepper. Black pepper is very nice in this dish as well. So now that our cocoyams are grated, this is the consistency that you want for the cocoyams. You don't want it too thick or too runny. So next step, you just add the salt. We'll be adding some palm oil. We'll be adding some crayfish powder. We'll be adding the crayfish and the black pepper. And then we can add the smoked fish and the spinach. And then we're just going to mix everything together. And I'm just going to show you now how I tied in the banana leaf. As you can see, I went ahead and added some ethnic spices. I have some country onion there, I have some false nutmeg, which we call pebe, and some cote. So I'll be putting the ingredients in the description box, and I'll be putting the links as well so you can actually find them. These spices actually added more flavor to the dish as well. I also like to mention at this stage, if you don't have banana leaves, don't worry, you can use some baking paper and then you can finish off with some cling film. You'll still have exactly the same result. So these are the final results. They're not ready for steaming. I actually used an electric steamer to steam this recipe, and on the other side I have a pot with a steamer, so you can use whichever equipment that you want. If you have an electric steamer, you can use it. If you want to use a pot with a steamer basket, a steam basket, you can use that. So this steamed for about 2 hours on both sides, and I'll just come back to you with the final results and how they look. So after 2 hours, the Kwacoco is ready. As you can see, it came out really perfect. It tastes really nice, and I can tell you the smell was really amazing. So I hope you will try the recipe. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.